Question number 6. Write the constant term. अब now everything is based on your concept student, ठीक है ना. What is given? Write the constant term. Constant. अब you know that student, constant means what? I explained the concept of variable and constant. A variable जैसे x plus 3 is given ना, तो in this what is constant? You can say sir 3 is constant. And what is variable? X is variable. Simply you know that. Clear? Because variable means whose value can be changed and constant means whose value will never be changed. Clear? So 3 is constant because its value will never be changed, and x is what? X is variable. Clear student? So now come to the question. Question is given. Question number first I am going to take. First 3x square plus 5x plus 8. Clear student? अब here what is constant? See carefully. You can say sir 3 is constant, 5 is constant, 8 is constant. But this is totally wrong. Why? You have to find out only constant. Constant means there will be no the combination of variable and constant. Here you can see this is the combination of variable and constant. So this is our not only constant. Only you have to find out what? Constant term. 5 is given and x is given. This is also combination of numerical and constant. मतलब variable and constant. 8 is given. हाँ yes, this is our answer. Why? Because this is only constant. So 8 is our what? 8 is our constant. Clear student? I think now you are able to solve the question student. Now come to the next question. Next question is given. First I will explain one thing. जैसे identify monomial, binomial and trinomial. अब what is this? Monomial, binomial and what? Trinomial. Trinomial. Clear student? अब what is this? अब you know that जैसे in science I think you study जैसे mono means student, mono means single यानी only one, यानी the expression only one term, like जैसे if I am writing minus like 3xy. Clear student? So this is what? This is your monomer. You can say sir here 3 is given, x is given, y is given, so this is 3 term, this will be what? This will be trinomial. But no student, you are wrong. Multiply is given na? If you are writing 3xy, it means this is the combination, this is only one, you will conclude. If you are writing x plus y plus z. Clear student? If you are writing this x plus y plus z, so this is your trinomial because plus sign is given, this is different, you will count this one different and this one also different. But in this you will count 1, yani 3xy. Yani if multiply sign is given and there is no matter ki how long is expression like x, y, z, a, b, c. So this is you will count only 1 because multiply is given na. जैसे 1 multiply by 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 4. So what you will count? You will multiply everything and only one single will come. So this is our what? This is our monomial. Now next is binomial. Bi you know that जैसे bi means what? Bi means 2. So this is our binomial. जैसे x plus y. Here 2 terms are given. This is our binomial. Now next is trinomial student. So tri means only similarly single term, 2 term and 3 term. You can write on x plus y plus z. Clear student? So now check this one. Question number, come on, question number 7. Question number 7. What is given? Second. Question number 7, second. 5 plus 7 x पे power 3 y पे power 3 and z पे power 3. So tell me student, this is what? This is monomial, binomial or trinomial? So you can say sir, one term is 5 and this is also a one term, not 1, 2, 3, 4 term, because I explained in multiplication you will count only one term. So one term and one term, it will become what? 2 term. So you can write down this is binomial. Clear student? I think now this is clear. Now next example I am going to take. Next is given what? Like question number 4. Question number 4 you can take a plus b minus 2c. A plus b minus 2c. Clear student? तो a this is one term, b this is also one term, c this is also one term. So total terms student 1 2 3 and minus sign is given. If minus or plus sign is given, so we will count single term. Clear student? So this is what you can write on this is our trinomial. Clear student? I think now you are able to judge which one is monomial, which is binomial and which is trinomial. Clear student? So now come on question number 8. Write all the terms of the algebraic expression. So all terms, like if it is given, I am going to tell example like question number 8. What is given? Write all the terms of algebraic expression. Clear student? You have to write the term. So how you will write down student? Just say it is given. Example I am going to explain 4xy. If one expression is given 4xy, so you will write down all the term. So what you will write down? 4 one term x y. Clear? Means different. Another example like you can take. Just say it is given like 4x square 3y to power 3. Now you have to write down all the algebraic expression, all the terms. So what you will write down? First term 4 into x into x. This is our first term, and this one is what? This is our second term. You can write down 3 multiplied by y and y how many times? 3 times. Clear student? This is our algebraic expression is given, and you have to write down all the term. This is first term, this is second term. Clear student? So now come to the next question. Now next question is given. Question number 9. What you have to do? You have to write down the like terms. Question number 9 is given. Identify the like terms in the following. Clear student? Now what is given? 9th question. Like terms. What is like terms? I think you know that like and unlike terms in decimal, in integer I explained. Here in algebraic expression you have to find out like term. Clear? It is given a square, b square minus 2a square and c square and 4a. Clear? Now you have to choose the like terms. So like means student, the value of variables should be same. A variable you know that whose value can change. There, it doesn't matter ki what is constant consist with the variable. ठीक है ना? Only you have to check what? Only you have to check the value of variable. Like here you can see here a square is given student. You have to find out where a square another place is given. Here you can say sir here also a square is given, but one question will come in your mind. Here minus 2 is also given student. So what I explained, there is no effect of constant term. Only you have to find out the variable. Ab here variable is what? A square, and here 1 is given. Here variable is minus 2a square. So there is no problem with the constant. Only you have to check what? Only you have to check variable. If variable are same, you can say sir this is like term. So here a square and here also a square is given. Clear student? You can write down a square and minus 2a square are like terms. Why? Because variable are same. Clear? Similarly again you can find out anything else is given if so, or anything is given to no, nothing is given. Not anything else is common. Clear? So now again I am going to take another example, explain. Everything will be clear. Next example is question number 2, 9th. Question number 2, 9th. What is given? 9x to the power 3 minus 5 z to the power 4 plus 7 x to the power 3y minus xyz. minus x y z. Clear? अब you have to find out like terms, student. अच्छा, now find out what I say. You have to find out only variable. Here x to power 3 is given. Here also x to power 3 is given. Clear? And here 5z to power 4 and minus x y z is given. Clear, student? So now you have to find out what? You have to find out like term. So when you will solve this question, you can find out the like terms. Clear, student? So try to find out. Here check what is given and what is not given. Sorry, I copied the wrong question. Due to this, there is no constant. There is no like term. Question number 2 is this one. What is given? 3x 4xy minus yz and 1 by 2 zy. 1 by 2 zy. Now you have to find out like term in this, student. So here x is given, but here xy is given, not like term. Minus yz is given and 1 upon 2 zy. So student, tell me this minus yz and this 1 upon 2 zy are like term or not? So see carefully, minus 1 and 1 by 2. There is no matter of this, because what I explained, you have to see only variables. Here variable is yz, here variable is zy. So जैसे if a b is given or b is given, both are same na, both are same, only place is changed. So you can write down minus yz and 1 upon 2 zy are what? Like terms. Clear, student? So I think you are able to solve the question based on like terms and unlike terms. Clear, student? Now move to the next exercise. Everything I explained, only you have to focus the question, you will be able to solve all the question. Clear, student? So now come to the exercise 8C. 8C is very simple, student. Only you have to add and subtract. जैसे exercise 8C. One example I will explain. 8C. Clear? What is given? Add. First question, add. So one long question I am taking. जैसे 2x square, question of 5. 2x square comma minus 3x square minus next is 7x square. 7x square. This is our term. You have to add. So write down 2x square. 2x square minus, write down minus 3x square. Nothing is given, any plus 7x square. Clear, student? अब now 2 first you will add, because nothing is given, any plus sign, any plus 2 and 7. 7 plus 2 9. Write down 9x square. फिर minus 3x square. Clear? अब you know that 9 minus 3 is what? 9 minus 3 it will come 6x square. So this is our solution. Clear? Only you have to see the sign and solve the question. Now I think you are able to solve the question. Addition, subtraction, you know that in earlier classes also you solve, and here I explain. So all question based on this, student. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Now one question of 5 I am going to explain. One question, what is given? Subtract 5a plus 7b minus 2c from 3a minus 7b plus 4c. Clear, student? What is given? Subtract 5a plus 7b minus 2c from 3a minus 7b plus 4c. So from is given, so first we will write down 3a minus 7b plus 4c. Clear? Now you have to subtract this one, to write down minus sign and take this one in bracket. 5a plus 7b minus 2c. Clear? Now, you have to solve this one. So solve it carefully, because minus sign is given. You have to see carefully. So you will write down 3a minus 7b plus 4c. Minus sign, this is minus, this is plus. You know that nothing is given, any plus sign is given. So minus plus what? Minus plus माइनस, यानी -5 इट विल बिकम, फिर माइनस एंड प्लस, तो माइनस प्लस -7b, फिर माइनस स्टूडेंट प्लस, बिकॉज आई एक्सप्लेन इन इंटीजर, प्लस 2c. Here now 3a, where 3a? Here -5a. You know that 3 minus 5, it will give what? It will give -2. Why -2? Because 5 is more than 3 and 5 having minus sign, so you will write down -2a. फिर 7b is given and -7b is given. अब -7b and -7b, तो minus minus I explain student what? Minus plus and sign of greater integer, but here both are equal, so we will write down -14b. Clear? Now come to the c. 4c and 2c plus plus, you know that simply plus, so 4c plus 4c, sorry 4c plus 2c, it will come 6c. So this is your correct solution of the question. Clear student? Now I think you are able to solve all the question based on this. Each and every question you will try yourself, because all are based on subtraction. Clear? So now come to the next exercise, and next exercise 8d. This is also simple. Some question also I explain. 8d. 8d is given. Simplify student, only you have to do the simplification. So I am taking question. Let's just start question number 4 from 4, because this is little bit long. -3a plus b plus 4 2a minus 3b minus 2a minus b. Clear student? This is given. This is our question. Now we have to solve carefully. Only we have to use the concept. -3 is given, plus a is given. So minus plus minus and 3 multiply by a, तो -3a. फिर minus is given, plus is given. तो minus plus student minus, तो -3 multiply by plus b, यानी -3b plus 4 plus 4 and plus 2, 4 2 जा 8, यानी 8a. अब here nothing is given, you know that this is multiply. You know that 4 multiply by what? 3, तो 12 and minus plus minus, तो write down minus 4 3 जा 12, यानी 12 what? 12b. Again minus plus minus, तो write down -2a minus minus plus b. Clear student? Now solve this. -3a, where a is given, plus 8a minus 2a. Clear? So you have to see a is given 3 place. First -3 is given, -2 is given. अब you know that कि -3 and -2 become -5. Why 3 or 2? 5 and sign of greater integer. So which one is greater student? 3 is greater. So -3 -2 -5. So -3 and -2 it will become -5. Write down -5a and -3b plus 8a plus -12b plus b. Again -5a or plus 8a. You know that minus plus minus and the sign of greater integer. So which one is greater? 8 is greater. So you can write down minus plus minus, यानी 8 -5 plus 8 3. Sign of greater is plus, so no need of writing. A is given, to write down a, यानी this one is clear. Now -3b -12b plus b. Clear student? So you know that minus or minus plus, so -12 and -3. This will become what? This will become -12 and sign of greater integer. So write down -12 and -3 -15b and plus b. Now again 3a, तो write down 3a same, फिर -15 plus b. तो minus plus minus and sign of greater integer, and 15 is greater, तो minus sign and 15 minus 1, this will come 14b. Clear student? So this is our correct solution. I think you are able to understand. You have to see the question carefully and you have to solve. So again I am going to solve the last question of this exercise, and rest of question you will solve yourself, because if I will explain all the question, so what you will do? Clear student? So I explain the concept, only you have to solve rest of the question. 8d, exercise 8d, this is. Now next is Next question. Question number 9 I am taking. Question number 9. What is given? 86 minus bracket 15x minus 7 6x minus 9 minus 2 10x minus 5 2 minus 3x. Clear, student? This is our question. Now you have to solve very carefully because this is a little bit long. So now try to solve. Now 86 write down first, minus 15x write down, minus 7. You will solve from right hand side to 7. 6x minus 9 you will write down, minus 2 is given. फिर solve this one. 10x minus plus minus and 5 to जा 10, यानी minus 10. ये this is given. हाँ. Now minus minus plus, तो plus 5 3 जा 15, यानी 15x. So this is solved. Now come to the 86 minus 15x minus 7 6x minus 9. Now solve this one. Minus 2. Solve 10x or 15x. This will become what? This will become 1 minute. 10x and 15x. This will become 25x because plus 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 and minus 10. 25x minus 10. Clear, student? Now next is 86. 86 minus 15x minus 7 6x minus 9 minus 2 into 25. So minus plus minus, so you know that this will become what? This will become minus 50x. फिर minus minus plus यानी plus 2 10 जा 20. Here solve. Now come to this one. 86 minus 15x. Solve this one. 7 6 जा 42 and minus plus minus 42x. फिर minus minus plus. This will become plus 63 minus 50x plus 20. Clear? Again you have to solve this bracket. You have to solve this one. 1 minute. So 86 minus, अब now solve this bracket. 15x is given, minus 42x is given, फिर minus 50x is given or plus 20. So first you will solve this one. 50 minus is given and plus is given. So first you will solve minus and minus. So 50 and 42. You know that 50 and 42 will add. This will become what? This will become 92. This is minus. Sorry, this is plus. So 15 you will subtract. So 12 minus 5 7. 8 minus 1 7. Clear? Yani 15x minus 42x and minus 50x. This will become what? This will become 77x. Yani 77x. Clear? What is it? Remains 63 and 20. So this will become what? 3 and 6 plus 2 8. Clear, student? So this is our 83. 86 and minus 77x at plus 83. So you know that 86 and 83. This will become what? This will become 3 plus 6 9, 8 plus 8 16. Yani 169 minus 77x. Clear, student? So now I think this question is clear to everyone. Now in 8th D you will solve all the question based on this, because all questions are based on same pattern. Clear, student? This question 8D, question number 9. I think there is some mistake in this question. 1 minute. 63. अच्छा, minus sign is given, student. Sorry. Minus sign है तो minus sign is given here. तो 63 and 20. 63 and 20. First you will solve bracket 63 and 20. Sorry student, here minus sign will be given. Why? because here minus sign is given na, so you will multiply also minus sign. So 63 and 20 become 83, so here minus sign, because minus and plus minus. So 86 and minus 83, so this will become what? This will become our 86 minus 83, 3. So 3 minus 77x is our right answer. Clear, student? So I think everything is clear. Follow the steps properly. You will solve all the question very easy way. Clear, student? So 3 plus 77x is coming na. Again plus 15 minus 15 and minus 42 minus acha, here minus plus, here minus plus minus. See here 2 times mistake is there. Why? Because here minus sign I forget. So you also forget many thing in many question. So please remember, minus sign is given outside. Again I am going to explain. Here 63 is given and here 20 is given. So 63 and 20, 83. Clear? And when this minus goes inside, this will become minus 83. Clear? I forget this minus sign, so you also will take care. And here minus 42 and minus 50 become minus 92. ठीक है ना? Here minus 92 become, and this is what? This is plus 15. So minus plus minus, you know that. Clear? When you will subtract 92 and 15, this will come what? Minus 77. So minus 77 inside the bracket, but you will multiply this minus inside, to this minus 77 become plus 77. Clear, student? So now this is our exercise 8D. Now this is the end of chapter 8. So in next video we will discuss the simplification. Clear, student? So rest of question you will do yourself, student. Okay, thank you.